Wow. 71,620,000,000 coins of Luna now destroyed by Luna community. We have now hit 71.62 billion coins being destroyed. It has not been long when we saw Luna Classic hitting 38 billion coins, and then before you know it, it hit about 40 billion. Then Binance burned about 8.5 billion coins, and it took the burning of Luna Classic to about 51 billion coins. Today we are recording over 71,620,000,000 coins of Luna Classic has been destroyed by Luna, which is amazing. We are happy for this. Now, one important thing you need to also understand is that Luna Classic, for me, if you ask me, this is just the beginning. We are going to destroy more coins of Luna Classic very soon. Yes, Luna will be burning more coins. And 71 billion by community, well, let's hope this gets to at least 10%. Yes, let's hope Luna Classic will definitely be burning 10%. They need to burn about 700 billion to 1 trillion in order to burn just 10 to 12% of Luna Classic supply. And if they can hit 700 billion burns to 1 trillion burn, it's going to mark a new era in Luna Classic burning, and the price of Luna Classic is going to take a shape. The market cap is massively going to rise. People will definitely be trading more of Luna Classic than what they are trading right now. Okay, but one good thing that is going to take this price and to help Luna Classic to rise is Bitcoin. According to crypto expert Mr. Henry, based on analysis, they said BTC by next year 2024, market from November to December 2024, the expectation price for Bitcoin is $72,000 to $134,000. I don't know how they came about this analysis, but 72,000 to over 100,000, and I think that if Bitcoin can even hit $150,000 by next year ending, there's a possibility. They are able to reach 67 before, but the only thing that is going to hold Bitcoin from reaching $100,000 price even before 2025 ending, I know it's a very long period of time, is crypto industry in general. The popularity is really going down. They need to create more awareness. They need to work with companies and industries into almost all nations. Companies and industries need to accept cryptocurrency as a base payment. Let people start creating accounts. People start buying of goods and services on Amazon, paying of goods and services on Facebook using cryptocurrency. That is going to push Bitcoin even up to $200,000 before the end of 2024. Well, let's hope for the best. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.